Modern workplace solutions are designed to empower increasingly distributed, dynamic, and digital workplaces. They are designed to make businesses more resilient, giving employees the secure environment they need to work from anywhere on any device. Still, in most cases, adoption rates for these solutions are incredibly low. Employee experiences are inadequate, and enterprises fail to reap the full benefits of any transformation initiative. We believe that it's possible to reimagine the way these tools are leveraged to enable a more digitally engaging experience. We believe that it's time for a change. Give your employees the freedom to do more with less, more control over the workplace tools they use every day, more seamless experiences, more accessibility with more security. We can keep going, but the point is, why be happy with what you have when you can create a more rewarding enterprise digital experience with Infosys Workplace Suite? Designed to maximize the ROI for your workplace transformation solutions, Infosys Workplace Suite empowers you to drive business resilience, enhance employee engagement, optimize costs, and accelerate digital adoption. The solution is completely modular, which means you have the freedom to pick and choose the areas you want to focus on. Automate and accelerate migration to a new digital workplace platform. Implement collaboration and communication portals using predefined templates and functionalities. Set up monitoring, self-service through conversational bots, and automated issue resolution processes to simplify solution management. Enable easy-to-abide yet stringent lifecycle management, governance, and reporting rules. Adopt next-gen workplace platforms to morph into a live enterprise. In short, navigate to the next milestone for migration, implementation, governance, and operations with ease. What's more, Infosys Workplace Suite is completely deployed within your organizational network or tenant, ensuring that your data is always secured, while giving you the ability to leverage latest AI and ML capabilities to garner more contextual insights about the environment. Discover how workplace transformation solutions can truly empower your employees. Build a resilient digital workplace with Infosys Workplace Suite and get more value from your workplace faster.